Hello friends, I'm Lola and today we're going to learn basic shapes. Come with me and I'll show you what the most common ones are. There is a circle, triangle, square, rectangle, oval, star, diamond, pentagon, hexagon, and octagon. Now I want you to say them with me. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle, oval, star, diamond, pentagon, hexagon, and octagon. Good job! Now, a circle is round. A triangle has 3 sides. A square has 4 even sides. A rectangle has 4 sides, but 2 are short and 2 are long. An oval is long and round. A star has 5 sharp points. A diamond has 4 stretched sides and is also known as a rhombus. A pentagon has 5 sides. A hexagon has 6 sides. An octagon has 8 sides. Now, let's take a look at different objects you might see every day and see if you can find the shapes within them. Here is a pizza. What shape do you see? If you guessed the circle, great! Here is a watermelon slice. What shape do you see? If you guessed the triangle, nice! Here is a window. What shape do you see? If you guessed a square, awesome! Here is a door. What shape do you see? If you guessed a rectangle, amazing! Here is an egg. What shape do you see? If you guessed an oval, terrific! Here is a starfish. This might be easy for you, but what shape do you see? If you guessed a star, you're on fire! Here is a kite. What shape do you see? If you guessed a diamond, you're unstoppable! Here is a stop sign. What shape do you see? If you guessed an octagon, great! Here is a bird feeder. What shape do you see? If you guessed the pentagon, awesome! Wow, I'm so amazed by all you've learned today that you've just won 2 crowns. Watch this lesson whenever you want to learn about shapes. Remember to practice everything you learned today with your parents. I had such a fun time with you and hope you'll visit me again soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to learn something new, click on the next video.